Hello everyone. Welcome to 2 Minutes IELTS Speaking. Today, we have an engaging topic to explore. Describe a website which help you to do something. This topic has been divided into 4 paragraphs. So let's delve into each paragraph to gain a deeper understanding. One website that I frequently visit and find incredibly useful is YouTube. It has become an integral part of my daily routine, offering a wide range of videos on various topics. From entertainment and music to educational content and tutorials, YouTube serves as a versatile platform that caters to my diverse interests and needs. I initially discovered YouTube through word-of-mouth recommendations from friends and family. They highlighted the website's vast collection of videos and its ability to provide entertainment, knowledge, and inspiration. Intrigued by their description, I decided to explore the platform myself, and it quickly became my go-to destination for both entertainment and learning. YouTube has helped me in numerous ways. For instance, I often use it to learn new skills and acquire knowledge on various subjects. The platform hosts an abundance of educational channels, where experts and enthusiasts share their expertise through engaging videos. Whether it's learning a musical instrument, understanding complex scientific concepts, or improving my cooking skills, YouTube has always been there to provide accessible and valuable resources. I visit YouTube regularly because it offers an endless stream of engaging and informative content. Whether I want to relax and unwind with entertaining videos, keep up with the latest news and trends, or dive deep into a specific topic, YouTube has it all. The personalized recommendation and subscription feature allow me to tailor my feed according to my interest, ensuring that I always have something interesting to watch. YouTube has truly become an indispensable part of my online experience.